Hello everyone, myself Dipali Ramrawag, Assistant Professor, Sweri College of Pharmacy, Pandharpur. Today I explain you sedative and hypnotic. According to the PCI syllabus, it is a point of Unit 4, that is a drug acting on central nervous system. Let's see detail about the sedative and hypnotic. Introduction. Sedative drugs that have an inhibitory effect on the central nervous system to the degree that they reduce nervousness, excitability, irritability without causing sleep. In that hypnotic, these are agents which produce calm, soothe the central nervous system to the point that they cause sleep. In sedative and hypnotic, what concentration which effect are produced at low dose calm or soothe the central nervous system without inducing sleep. At high dose calm or soothe the central nervous system to the point of causing sleep. By definition, all sedative hypnotic will induce sleep at high dosage. Normal sleep consists of distinct stages based on three physiological measures such as electrocephalogram, electromyogram and electrostigmogram. Two distinct phases of sleep are distinguished which occur cyclically over 19 minutes. Non-rapid eye movement produces in 70-75 degrees of total sleep. It consists of 4 stages. Most sleep occur at stage 2, rapid eye movement. It is called as recall dream. Next is the properties of sedative hypnotic in sleep. The latency of sleep onset is decreased in that the time to fall asleep. The duration of stage second, non-rapid eye movement sleep is increased. The duration of rapid eye movement sleep is decreased. This duration of slow wave sleep tolerance occur after 1 to 2 weeks. Some sedative hypnotic will depress the central nervous system to stage 3 of anesthesia due to their fast onset of action and short duration. Barbiturates such as thiopental and methotrexate are used as adjuvant in general anesthesia. In that, what is meant by difference between the sedative and hypnotic? Sedative are drugs that decrease activity and have a calming, relaxing effect. People use this drug mainly to reduce anxiety. At higher doses, sedative and usually cause sleep drugs used mainly to cause sleep are called hypnotic. Next is the barbiturate. Let's see detail about the barbiturate. Barbiturate first introduced in 1903, that is a standard agent for insomnia and sedation. Barbiturates are a habit forming agent. It is commonly used in insomnia and sedation due to its part of the safety and efficacy. There are 4 categories are barbiturate. First is the ultra short acting, second short acting, third intermediate acting and last is the long acting. Let's see in mechanism of action. Site of action is brainstem, in that reticular formation. Cerebral cortex, by inhibiting GABA nerve impulses traveling in the cerebral cortex are also inhibited. Next is the pharmacokinetic. Barbiturates have a wide range of half-life. It ranges from 3 minutes to 120 hours. They are redistributed in all body. Fast acting agents are more lipid soluble and produce the action in seconds, while water soluble agents are long acting and they are slower to penetrate the central nervous system. Usually they take around 20 to 30 minutes. They are metabolized in liver and eliminated through kidney. Urinalysis detect 30 hours to week. Next is the pharmacological effect. With lower doses used in treating anxiety and at higher dose produce sedation, not analgesic, no sleep, sedation with moderate pain, suppressed dreaming during rapid eye movement, cognitive inhibition, changes in thinking, judgment, motor skill, behavior or over hour or days. That effect is central nervous system, effect on respiratory system, effect on reproductive system, effect on liver, psychological effect, physiological dependence. Let's see one by one in detail. Effect on central nervous system. Barbiturate are general central nervous system depressant, that is, as one increase the dose, one can cause any degree of central nervous system depression, from the mildest sedation through hypnosis, anesthesia, coma and death. Ethanol potential. The central nervous system depressant effect on barbiturate as do same antihistamine amines, and mode of action is inhibitor. Next is the effect on respiratory system, in that barbiturate reduce respiratory drive as well as the mechanism responsible for the rhythmic character of respiration. In high dose of barbiturate result into suppression and sometimes result into death of patient, in that respiratory effect are found. Next is the effect on reproductive system. No current evidence that barbiturate produce any impaired fertility or tetragenicity. Next is the effect on liver. Barbiturate increase the hepatic enzyme which normally metabolize most of the drug. Thus, concurrent use of barbiturate increase the metabolism of other drug. Next effect is the psychological effect. In that effect produced in barbiturate produce the following psychological effect is depressed behavior, congenitive or motor inhibition to alcohol, low dose reduce anxiety or emotional withdrawal, aggression or violence, setting determine positive or negative response. High dosage of barbiturate produce general behavioral depression and sleep. Next is the physiological dependence. In that effect are produced, they produce wide range of effect. At low dose it produce sleep difficulties, while at high dose it produce hallucination and restlessness. They also produce disorientation and life-threatening convulsion. Next is the therapeutic uses. In use of barbiturate are used in following condition: hypnotic, sedative, anticonvulsant, surgical procedure. Toxicity of barbiturate. Major cause of death in barbiturate toxicity is due to the respiratory depression. This drug have a high abuse potential due to their euphoric effect. Repeated use lead to the development of tolerance to most but not all the effect of barbiturate, that is the tolerance dose not developed to the effect of barbiturate on respiration. Acute barbiturate withdrawal in drug abusers can cause a fatal withdrawal syndrome. Barbiturate can cause restlessness, excitement and delirium when given in the presence of pain and may make a patient perception of pain worse. Next is the benzodiazepine. May be divided according to primary use of hypnotic, anxiolytic and anticonvulsant. Hypnotic, long acting and short acting are divided. In long acting are the nitrazepam, In short acting is temazepam. Anxiolytic is alprazolam, diazepam, loraprazole, oxazepam. Benzodiazepines pharmacology. Benzodiazepines potentiate GABA inhibitor at all level of neuroses. Benzodiazepine cause more frequent opening of the GABA calcium channel via membrane hyperpolarization and increased receptor affinity for GABA. Benzodiazepine act on B1, B2 receptor. They may cause euphoria, impaired judgment, loss of self control, and anterograde amnesic effect. Next is the properties of benzodiazepine. Benzodiazepines have a wide margin of safety if used for short period. Prolonged use may cause dependence. They have little effect on respiratory or cardiovascular function compared to barbiturate, other sedative hypnotic. Mechanism of action. Benzodiazepines are not general central nervous depressant or generally central nervous system depressant, can cause any degree of depression ranging from the slightest sedation of anesthesia, coma and death. Next is the pharmacological action. In that effect of respiration, effect of GI system, effect on liver. Let's see in detail. First is the effect on respiration. In that almost all benzodiazepines do not inhibit respiration in hypnotic dosage. In normal man, exception is midazolam, but can cause apnea when combined with other central nervous system depressants such as opiate and alcohol. Next is the effect on GI system. There are few direct effects of benzodiazepine, but sometimes used in anxiety and related GI disorder. Next is the effect on liver. In that effect are produced benzodiazepine cause little or no induction of hepatic drug metabolizing enzyme. However, the benzodiazepine are themselves metabolized extensively in the liver. Next is the pharmacokinetic. Drug acting at the benzodiazepine receptor are divided into 4 categories based on their elimination of half-lives. Ultra short acting, that is a clorazepate with 2 hours, short acting with 6 hours. Intermediate acting are required 6 to 24 hours such as estazolam and temazepam. Long acting are required 24 hours. Indication of benzodiazepine. Our indication is that the benzodiazepine are used in various conditions. They are mentioned as follows: generalized anxiety disorder, panic disorder, insomnia, schizophrenia, bipolar, skeletal muscles relaxation, depression. Next is the drug interaction. Following are the drug interaction with benzodiazepine. Clozapine, there are severe hypotension, respiratory or cardiac arrest and loss of consciousness. In cigarette smoking may decrease the sedative effect of usual benzodiazepine dosage. Alcohol increase sedation. Antifungal may increase plasma concentration of benzodiazepine. Benzodiazepine reduce the effect of anti-epileptic drug. Combination of anxiolytic drug should be avoided. Benzodiazepine withdrawal symptoms. In that the insomnia, anxiety, autonomic instability, increased heart rate and BP, tremor, diaphoresis, insomnia, muscle cramps, confusion, seizures, irritability, ataxia, benzodiazepine overdose, in that the impaired coordination, slurred speech, diminished reflexes, confusion, respiratory depression and hypotension. Thank you.